Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I've got a quick Google Maps technique I want to make sure you understand. So, my friends, let's get cracking. Step one is to make sure you're going to Google Maps and not Google Earth. When you go there, let's type someplace like Boulder, Colorado. Notice if you start typing, it gives you the rest, so you can just click on it and then wait patiently as it flies you out there. Now, I want us to find an airport, so let's zoom in and see if we can track one down. Think about how you would recognize an airport. What are they going to put on it so that you can tell where it is? Well, if you look over here, there is a jet. So let's click on that. Notice it gives us that red map pin, and we're going to use that for some other cool techniques. So for this simple little project, I'm going to ask you to find how far it is to Grand Junction's airport. So what you need to do is zoom out and see if you can find Grand Junction. Now, if you zoom too far, you won't see anything. When you do zoom out, you can nudge left or right to try and find it. Well, if you're looking closely, you can see Grand Junction is over here. Let's zoom in a little bit closer and see if they have an airport. Use the same technique we used a minute ago and see if you can spot where the Grand Junction airport is. Notice that after a moment it shows up right above Route 70. Now let's zoom out and go back and find our map pin that we used a moment ago. When you right click on that red map pin, you can choose measure distance. If you miss, just zoom out and do it again. Alright friends, so if we zoom out, let's find Grand Junction again. I'm going to move this a little bit so I can see better. And Grand Junction is all the way over here. I'm going to zoom in on Grand Junction. Remember that airport was up above the 70? And now I can click on it, and it gives me the distance. It is 186 miles. Now remember, we're using airplanes, so this distance is important in nautical miles so we can tell if we got enough fuel to fly there. So what we do is take that miles, 186, and we divide by 1.151, which is the number of miles that are in a nautical mile. So that actual distance is 161 nautical miles. And that, my friends, is how you use the measurement tool to find the actual distance between two places in Google Maps. Friends, of course, if you found the video useful, please give it a like. If you've got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.